The confidentiality clause of a contract tells you the rules around keeping information between the parties to the contract private, keeping it confidential, not telling others about it. And that's it at the high level, but the details of it really matter. Like often there are situations when you are allowed to share information, right? Either because a set number of years have passed or because like law enforcement came to you and asked for it. But the sort of details of what's in that confidentiality clause really matter. And the way to find the details is to read the confidentiality clause. Problem is, sometimes you might have a situation where you got to read the confidentiality clauses in a whole bunch of different agreements. Like it's easy enough to find the confidentiality clause in one agreement often, but trying to find them across a whole pile of contracts can really take a lot of effort. And even in one contract, it can sometimes take more effort than you'd think because the confidentiality clause, while it's often in a section titled confidentiality, it isn't always there. And sometimes there can be confidentiality clauses there, but other confidentiality clauses in other contracts or in other parts of that same contract. And so it can take a little bit more effort than you'd think. But the bigger problem is if you have a whole pile of contracts and you got to find what they say about confidentiality, because they won't necessarily all say the exact same thing. So if you're in that situation, you can either read the contracts or you can use contract analysis AI to find the confidentiality clauses automatically. Click this link right here. It'll take you to a web app that will enable you to upload your contracts, and it will automatically find confidentiality clauses for you. So that ideally can save you some time if you have to do this kind of work.